Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Crunch. Now we are going to start off with a series of MCQs on power system. Let's start. So the question is length of the cable is double. So length is double. Then what will be the capacitance? It will be 1 by 4, half, double or unchanged. So the answer is it will be doubled because the length of the cable and the capacitance are directly proportional. So length is directly proportional to capacitance. So if length will be doubled, then capacitance will also be doubled. Next question is Tarapur nuclear plant has which of the following type of reactor? So Tarapur has boiling water type. As the Tarapur Atomic Power Station, also known as TAPS, is located in Maharashtra, India has initially built it with two boiling water reactors with capacity of 210 megawatts in 1969. But now this plant has two extra pressurized heavy water reactors with capacity of 540 megawatt. That is last was 2006 that was recorded. So Tarapur nuclear power plant has boiling water type. Next question says that which of the following rotor is used in thermal power plants? So cylindrical rotor is used. We know that cylindrical rotor is also known as round rotor or smooth rotor as there is no projection. There is a closed portion which contains field winding which is distributed and unslotted portion also act as pole. It has a large axial length and small diameter, resulting high peripheral speed. As the air gap is uniform throughout the machine, it is more suitable for high speed operations. That's why it is employed in all the thermal nuclear power plants containing turbo alternators with two or maximum of four poles. So mainly cylindrical rotor is used in thermal power plants. Next, four identical alternators each are rated at 20 MVA. 11 kV having a subtransient reactance of 16% are working in parallel. The short circuit level at the bus bar will be what out of among four these? So short circuit MVA is known as is equal to base MVA by reactance per unit. So they are connected in parallel. So XPU will be equal to 16% by 4, which is actually equal to 0.04. Now the short circuit will be 20, that is the rated value 20 MVA by 0.04, that is short circuit MVA. So this will give us 500 megavolt ampere. So the answer is 500 megavolt ampere. Next, India's largest thermal power station is located at Kota, Sardi, Chandrapur or Neyveli. So the answer is the plant was officially inaugurated by Prime Minister Indira Gandhi on 8th of October 1984. It is the Chandrapur. Largest power station is in Chandrapur with total capacity of 3340 megawatts. And this plant is the largest thermal power plant in India. It accounts more than 25% of total Maharashtrian needs. So it is Chandrapur which was inaugurated by Prime Minister of India, that is Indira Gandhi, on 8th of October 1984. Next, oxide film arrestor has which of the following properties? It does not require daily charging, installed at points where transmission line where daily visit is difficult, it is expensive, or both A and B. So basically the properties, that is, it does not require daily charging and installed at points of transmission which is very difficult to operate. So both A and B is the correct option. This is the essential property of oxide film lightning arrestor. Next, what is the total installed power capacity in megawatt in West Bengal as published by Ministry of Power in 2011? So the answer is 8113.27 megawatt. These are the number of stations, utility and capacity. You can just remember these three: year, capacity and number and name of the station. Next, what should be the minimum depth in meter of cable trench to dug for laying 1.1 kV? So the answer is 0.75. As we know that the length and the depth of the different level of voltages and different number of cables are given in this diagram. So according to this, the space between the wall and the cable is 25 mm or 0.025 meter for 1.1 kV line. Next, NTPC, that is National Thermal Power Corporation, has its only thermal power generating unit in West Bengal at which of the following? So it is Farakka. Farakka Super Thermal Power Plant is under thermal power generating unit of NTPC in West Bengal. Actual place is Nabaran, Murshidabad, West Bengal. If the fault current is 2000 amperes, the relay setting is 50%. CT ratio is 400 is to 5, and then the plug setting multiplier will be. So we know that the current transformer is 400 by 5. CT provided rating is 5 ampere to the relay coil, right? So thereby the rated current is 5 amperes. If the relay is 50%, then it can be operated at 5 into 50 by 100, which is 2.5 amperes. Now the pickup current of the relay, we know that the fault current is 2000 amps. The fault current will be of the CT will be 5 into 2000 by 400, which will be equal to 25 amperes. Hence the plug setting will be 25 by 2.5. 2.5 was the operated at, if it is operated at 5 into 50 by 100. So this means the current in the secondary of the CT is 10 times greater than the operating current of the relay coil. So it is 10. So this was all about this lecture. Now we'll move on to next questions in the next lecture. Thank you.